welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more mommy videos, and don't forget to press the notification button so you know exactly when a new video is up. Okay, so today I wanted to show you Kai's new room. I'm so excited about this new space because, well, you know, his previous room was very much for a baby. I loved it and everything, but it's gotten to a point now where, I mean, he's not even able to sleep in his own cot. He's gotten too big for it. So he needed a new bed and he needed just a little bit of an upgrade, you know? If you are into DIY and you need a bit of inspiration, or yeah, you just want to like have a little bit of a peek into Kai's new room, keep watching.
So just a quick recap on how Kai's room looked like before. Since the first nursery tour, we did move a couple of things around. As you can see there, we had added this sofa bed so that his nanny could sleep over every once in a while. But Kai hasn't been sleeping in his cot for quite a while now because he's just gotten too big for it. So I started basically where every DIYer starts, on Pinterest. So I just collected these photos to give me inspiration for his new room to end up looking like this. So as you can see there, put a little teepee in the corner so we can have a nice place to cuddle and read some books. And then I also got him this bed, which is so much more toddler friendly than just a normal kid's bed. It's got these barriers all around it because he's quite a hectic sleeper, so this way we can make sure that he doesn't fall off during his sleep. And then we just added a smaller couch in the corner. We're still using this sort of dresser unit to keep his clothes. As you can see, I'm also just keeping his nappies there and his clothing and his basic toiletries as well.
This is like my favorite feature of the room. It's got these like mountains, and these mountains are really I love them because they represent one of my favorite mommy quotes. And okay, I'm paraphrasing here, but it says, "Let him sleep, for when he wakes, he'll move mountains." And I just love that quote. I loved it since I was pregnant with Kai. And I really wanted to bring that into his, updated room somehow because it just means so much to me. And I mean, mountains are cool, and it's just a nice sort of like boyish kind of design, but still quirky. It's got some really cute, like sort of off-center kind of tips, which I really, really love. And I just love the color as well because this wall, if you remember, had a whole bunch of different triangles, and the triangles were gray against a white background with some like hints of yellow. So I kept the yellow of those triangles in his room, even though I wanted to make the rest of his room much more like monochromatic and things like that.
So the paint that I chose to use was Plascon Double Velvet. It's really easy to clean, which is so important in a toddler's room. So the background is the color Ripple, the main mountains are Temp Dusk, and that pop of yellow is Lemon Rind.
So as you can see, I haven't actually hung up his wall art just yet because I wanted to really show you this mountain motif. So I'm going to get to that at some point and I'll show you like an updated version. But for now, the paint is done and we're moving stuff back in, and I'm just really, really excited to show him this room. I think he's going to walk in and be like, wow! So excited. So that's Kai's new room. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification buttons and everything so you know exactly when there's new content. So I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below, by the way, if you have any DIY tips, or if you've also, graduated your kid to a new room. How did you go about it? And yeah, let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.